Hey guys, I met a very inspiring girl. Her name is Ruxana and she hails from this village called Tyamgundlu and it's in Tumkur. And when I heard about her vision and her purpose in life, I really was so inspired and overwhelmed that I wanted to talk to Ruxana. So, Ruxana, hi. Come. um, Ruxana, tell us a little bit about where you come from and a little bit about your life story.
Sure. Sapna, first of all, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me. I'm basically from Tumkur,
Yeah.
that is a village called Tamgunlu.
Mm-hmm.
I'm belonging to like a middle class family. So my intention was like I want to be good in studies. My intention was that on that time, but unfortunately, I face so many of the things which I cannot.
Yeah.
Like even I couldn't imagine those things again in my life. So till SSLC was everything good in my life. After SSLC, all my relatives and family members started telling like you stop your education till SSLC. Later I was like no, at any cost I cannot give up in this stage. Thought I'll continue my education.
So, how did you convince your parents that they have to let you study more after 10th?
So I didn't had 2 to 3 days anything. I
You
wasn't.
stopped eating.
Yeah, I stopped eating. I didn't talk to my parents as well. So it's like that make them too emotional. Okay, she wants to do something, let her to do.
Right.
Like that, I convinced till SSLC. After SSLC, then for me, first my performance was not so much good because for so many barriers I come across. Then I took commerce and PUC.
You also said you did Urdu medium all the way until 10th standard and you had only one subject of
yeah,
English.
one subject of English and Kannada. Rest of all the Urdu medium subjects till 8. Then for me, like communication, especially English, was a very big task for me. Later, I come across the people, like I started listening them, how they are talking, everything I started listening them. I putting my efforts, like no, it shouldn't be my barrier. I should come out from this.
Absolutely.
So I started working on that till SSLC. It was something good. And after I went to PUC in Empress Girls College, I did my PUC. First year was like somehow okay. But second year, so I improvised myself in a very better manner. So one day, my especially Abu Jan came to attend the parents meeting. There, he heard so many of good vibes about me with my teachers.
Okay.
Then he decided, okay, she's doing something. Let her to do.
Right. Right.
Then again, for degree, there is a conflict. I want to continue on Tumkur only, but my parents, okay, 2 years you did, it is enough. So you can come to our native only. It was like I find difficulty. I was in girls' college again, co-ed. For me, it was like difficult task. Again, I came. Again,
Did you stop eating again?
No.
How did you convince them this time to allow you to?
Because
do
I
your
told
degree?
like it is too near to my home.
Yeah.
Too near to my home, 2 to 3 minutes walkable distance.
Okay. So you found a college close by to your house.
For them, there was no issue.
Okay. Okay.
Then again, financial problem come across. For that reason, what I did, I started taking tuition classes, then Mehendi classes as well. So with that, it will help me to pay my fees, everything.
Right.
All my expenses, college expenses. So my parents used to give me, but I don't want to ask. I want to be independent. Because if I'm telling something, they'll like used to tell, so we are not telling you to continue your education.
Yeah. If you ask for something, we told you not to do. But
So
that's why you earned your own.
Yeah, for that reason, I thought, okay, no. But in meanwhile, so I used the tuition fees as like very reasonable. Because in my area, all the people are like, they cannot afford for tuition classes and all. Even though I used to go and approach, starting I did for free.
Yeah.
But as you told, for free,
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work and it doesn't give the worthiness.
Right.
And I started minimum charges.
Right.
Again, students started joining.
Right.
I gave
And
the
then you
tuition
completed
classes.
your degree.
Degree. Then again, I want to do my masters in commerce. Again, the same problem arises.
Okay.
I don't want to like. My parents are like, okay, it is too far. You are going. But
Right.
in my native, there was like no colleges after
Hmm.
degree, so I need to come to Bengaluru only.
Right.
Like, okay, what about the money and all? And after that, and the traveling also, I need to
Right.
see all this barriers came. But I somehow tried my parents, because in degree I made Alhamdulillah, by God grace, I did so many things.
Yeah.
So many newspapers also I came, and
Fantastic.
news channels also. So that makes my parents proud
Yes.
about me.
Yes.
Yes, she's doing something. Let her to do. Like that kind of concept I change.
Okay. So what are you planning to do now? What is your goal, and what is that you from you finished your masters,
Yes.
and then you're working in this place, and
Yes.
by the way, Ruxana is a fantastic tax expert. She knows everything about taxes and all the difficult things that sometimes people
Thank you.
struggle with. I'm very impressed. What is that you're going to do? You said you're studying for your UPSC.
Yes. I'm planning for my UPSCs as well. I started
Okay.
doing self studies because of Corona. I was not be able to attend the classes.
Right.
So I'm not.
And ultimately, say for example, you achieve your UPSA, you've passed the exam, and you know become that officer. What do you
Yes.
plan to do from there?
Because I know I came across some kind of situation that I don't want the other girls to come across.
Okay. So you want to focus on
Yes,
girls'
especially
education.
I want to focus on girls' education, as well as in my area, the live examples. I want to give live examples. In my area, like so many girls are there
Yeah.
who used to get married at the age of 14, 15.
Yeah. Yeah. So you want to stop that.
I want
kind
to
of a
stop
child
child
marriage.
marriage.
Okay.
And I want to focus more on women empowerment.
Yeah.
And after, inshallah, if I cleared my UPSC, I want to help those kind of students who are very poor, who are very needy.
Yeah.
I want to give them all the kinds of facilities that they require to achieve their goal.
Fabulous. Women empowerment, stopping child marriage, and really helping education for girls is what Ruxana wants to do, guys. This is going to cost her a little bit of money. She plans to go to Delhi and do
Yes.
this UPSA course. There is a college that
Absolutely.
you want to go to.
Mhm.
So, with this video, I want to reach out to all of y'all and ask you to support Ruxana in her quest for doing her UPSC exams and going out to the world and playing her part in creating a better world for girls and children, and let's make her vision come true. Ruxana, thank you so much. I
Thank
wish
you
you
so
all
much,
the very
Sapna,
best.
for
You're
giving
so
this
inspiring,
opportunity.
dude. Like really.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys. See you soon.